Buderim Waterfalls, we've just had to come back. We came here the other week and we've decided to bring the kids back because of how absolutely beautiful it is. It's you wait and see.
Don't know what I did it for. I needed to know that it was always real. My hands held high when we walked down the line, honey, on and on through the clear night sky. Let's be at peace and fly. Our hearts collide, can't escape the magnetic side.
This is like a little hidden gem. We didn't know it was here. Kimberly didn't know it was here, and she apparently lived around the area for a bit. So just goes to show, if you look around, you'll find things you don't even know that's there. The little one, yeah. But that's not what we're here to see. No. It does smell fresh. It's clean, fresh air. Absolutely beautiful. This is why I love exploring. Because you get to see things like this. It is really cool. These little beauties. You better watch your step. Yeah, a bit slippery. All the rocks. Some of the path is rocks, some is mud, some are actual proper paths.
Aboriginals lived under there.
Maybe. Look how the rocks are weeping as they use them. All the water coming out from there.
All the hollow wells. I know we could try and make it worth a while again. We
this place is absolutely nuts. So it's located at Buderim off, is it Quan? What's that lizard? Yeah, okay, I'll put the name of the road down there, the address, oh shit. The address in the bottom there. So you can find it. But from the top of the road, it's about a 300 metre walk. Well, it's not about, that's what the sign says. 300 metre walk to this waterfall here. Okay, so what I've just shown you is the top section. The entire walk, if you want to do the whole lot, it's about 1.3 kilometres from start to finish, and then back again. There's a little shop down the bottom there. So if you want to go all the way, there's at least a shop down there for a little drink. The last 600 metres, oh, there he is. There he is, the lizard just took off. The last 600 metres of the walk is path. Oh, get that off there. It's like a, not a path, it's a, yeah, just be careful, mate. It's a, you know, like a proper wooden track. Yeah. So I think a lot of people run, jog, and they do their exercises down that end. But if you come here, be careful. Now there are some slippery areas, so bring the appropriate footwear so that you can. Some of the path is rock, some of it's dirt, some of it's like this. Let's just have a look there. Some of it's just like this. There's not too much of it like this, just a little bit every now and then. More swimming areas there. Keep following the path, and there's heaps of different swimming areas, I guess you could say, for the kids. Some aren't that deep, some you can lay down and just let the water wash over you. But I can imagine this place here would fill up pretty quick during the weekends and during the summer periods. I'm actually going to take you guys on a little bit of a walk because Etho back there needs to go to the loo, so I'm going to have to shoot down to the bottom end because we've taken the kids down a little bit further, just because we've got Carter, just take him down to somewhere where it's a little bit shallower so he can have a bit of a play and not have us worried too much. We can keep more of an eye on him. So I'll take you for a bit of a walk with us. There are some parts back there, and then some parts back that way that are a little bit harder, especially with the young kids. If you got them, you may have to carry them. If you're bringing towels and things, backpack. Check out how big these trees are. They're just straight up. Just like walking through a rainforest.
So we are kind of like in the rainforest.
Yeah. Almost feels like we're up in kind of North Queensland. Kind of like that environment, you know what I mean?
One night to be free, one night to speed
Now, if you don't like drop toilets, you don't have to worry. These ones here, they're flushables. So you don't have to worry about all the mozzies, all the bugs that you can get in there, even the smell. So these ones here are pretty well looked after, same as the top ones.
To call for hands of above, to lean on, would it be good enough for me now? One night of magic rush, the start a simple touch, one night to push and scream, and then relief, 10 days of perfect tunes.
There you go, so that's at the bottom of the hill here. So you've got the toilet, you've got the restaurant, which probably opens up later, not sure about the times. No, they only open Wednesdays and Sunday for lunch, and Thursday and Saturday for dinner. So we haven't eaten there, but it does look quite nice. Yeah, watch out for lizards. Hello, mate. What are you doing? Don't touch him with a stick. How pretty is he? Oh, there he goes. There we go. Don't touch, we just look. Hey, mate. He's just chilling. Right, so back there, over one of the bridges, we just had a look. One of the guys, there was someone else down there, so told us that there was a, what was it, mate?
An eel.
An eel. There was an eel down there, freshwater eel. So we had to check it out. I couldn't show you on the camera because it was a little bit hard to see with the glare of the sun, but it was about 1 metre long. And there's also freshwater prawns in there. I thought they were yabbies, but kind of like yabbies with really long, thin nippers.
You told me they were.
Oh, well, that's what I thought they were, mate. But then that guy back there said that they were freshwater prawns. So. All right, so you can't camp here. This is just a day use area. But with everything that's here, as far as the waterfall up there, the shops down there, the toilets at both ends, you could really spend a whole day here. The flat area down the end as well, spend the day there, or just do what I'm doing and just find a little mini waterfall and just relax. Just chill out. The kids are back there, they're having a bite to eat.
Not me.
Well, you finished. Yeah, you finished. Why don't you sit down with me?
Deep.
It's not that deep, mate. It's all good. Hey, I'm on the bottom. Yeah. Kids. Gotta love them, right? Oh. Look at that fresh water. That is so nice. And my view from up top. Really? Now this is living. This is living. All right, this is the end. Well, end for today. So Carter, what did you like about today?
I like to go in the waterfall.
In the waterfall? What else what did you see? What are the things that you've seen? Or heard? Birds?
Birds.
We've seen some spiders.
Stars.
Cicadas, yeah. Spiders.
Spiders.
What else?
That's all.
Okay, that's all for you. Ethan, what about you, mate? What did you see?
I saw an eel.
An eel. That was about 1 metre long. What else?
Some prawns.
Some freshwater prawns, yeah.
Some baby fishies.
Okay,
And lizards.
yeah.
And me too. And me too.
Oh, and you've seen some lizards too?
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Isabella? What did you see?
I saw 7 lizards.
Yep.
And I heard some kookaburras.
Kookaburras. And lots of other bugs. And the water, and the trees.
And I love the waterfalls.
Love the waterfalls. There you go, guys. You have it. Awesome place, especially the waterfalls. Kids love it. I love it. My wife loves it, and she's over there. But anyway, until next time, enjoy.